Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing literally a 12-pound red dress boutique try-on haul and unboxing. And yeah, so long story short, they had a warehouse sale, but it was online. $5. I can't wait to show you guys, and let's get started. So the total was $85, free shipping. So that's pretty good.
They have a cute little sticker package. So the first one,
there's like a bralette. This one has been trending for quite some time. There is no padding. It stretches in the back. So yes, this was this size extra small. So whenever there's like extra small, I try to get extra small. So this one was, I'll put it down below when I figure it out. But look how cute that is. It's a cute crop top. It is so cute. Oh my god. Yes. I can't wait to. I can't wait to try this one on. Okay. This one was probably like. This one was $15. Oh my god. This is really cute, dude. Okay. This is so cute. Look at this overall. Let me show you. Okay. How cute is that? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's like poofy, little poofy sleeves, but it's really cute. And it's like this. So I got a pair of sandals. These were, I think all the shoes were all $5. $5. These are the sandals. These are the sandals. $5. Let me see if they fit. Let me see, because I have like narrow feet, so I don't know if this is gonna fit. Oh, it does fit. Snaps. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah, and it fits my feet, so. Oh, thank goodness. So my next one is also like platform sandals. Yeah, this was also $5. $5. Let's try this quickly on. Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah, that's so cute. And it's like comfortable. Oh yeah, $5. And of course, if you know me, I love buying another. If I love it, I'll buy it in another color. So, yo girl, got it in black. I won't try this one on because it's like the same thing, same style. $5. These are also another platform sandals. Also, I think $5. Pretty sure. Yes, it's so beautiful. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Yes. Oh, that's cute. It's like not too high, so it's like you can definitely wear this. Let's try this on. How cute are these? Oh, this is cute. Cute. Oh yeah, this is cute. $5, what the heck? And the last one. I forgot what these were. Oh, so these are like meals. I don't know what they're called, but these are like cute for work / casual look. Like wear high-waisted crop jeans and like a white t-shirt, and then wear these. These are so cute. Let's see how this looks. Pretty casual. Excuse my crusty feet. But these are cute. Yeah, because sometimes I can't wear flats because they like give me blisters in the back of my ankle, so these are great alternatives. So you guys, thank you for watching my little try on haul, and if you guys liked it, please give it a like and subscribe, and let me know which one was your favorite, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.